Pilipinas. Today we are live again from Bohol, Panglao. So actually we just woke up and we are having our breakfast. So while waiting for our order, so we are waiting for our order. Okay, so we are here outside of our room. Hello everyone. It's what a beautiful day here in Bohol, Panglao. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you this hotel. So yeah, so that the pool there. So this is all the rooms. Actually, they all fully booked today, yesterday, and tomorrow. They all fully booked. So yeah, that's the pool right there. So after having breakfast, we're gonna go to the pool. Hi, live ni siya. So let me show you the pool, guys. It's very nice and clean. Mm, look at that pool. This is probably forfeit. Oh yeah, ano? Yeah, I think so. So that's the restaurant going to open soon. Yeah, it is very hot today. Okay, so let's go back to our it's kind of hot. Yeah. So right now it's around 10:40 a.m. Let me wipe this. Okay, so that it will clear. Oh, look at that. It's very nice. This. Yeah, it's just open. I will open it. Hi, Jano.
Hello.
Good morning from Bohol.
Good morning.
It's nice and clean.
Nice and clear.
Yeah.
Okay.
So later on, we are going to pool. We are going to the pool after eating, after having our breakfast. Wait. So hello everyone.
what is going to get cold then? The hot water, no?
Come
Oh,
on.
we have a kettle there.
Come on.
Yeah. Okay, but did you watch this grass?
Yes, Manat.
Does it look like?
Oh, that one, no, this one.
See that? Without looking, I can tell you you're not.
Yes, Jano.
You need to get a new secretary or what?
No, just sometime, you know.
So why you say yes? I just know.
You're the best.
Eh?
You're the best, Jano.
Even after eating, I have some quiet, you know. That's me.
Can,
Very fun.
can see your eyes is getting away. Don't do that today.
Really, 1 hour we don't have to very fun.
Okay.
You were Kobe.
No. Okay. So,
What? So many cameras, green and light.
I know, right? What is this filter sneak me
The
thing?
glass is gonna fall here. You can
Baby, be
rest it.
careful. Oh, this just leave it there.
Oh, you can rest it here, right there. That's
Right.
right. Next to the stand. Huh?
Oh no, because the
Okay, the glass gonna fall.
oh no, it's slow connection.
Look, hey.
We're trying to see slow connection. Excuse me. Okay, that's
You can even use this jug.
worry about that. Okay, transfer. You're not gonna use it?
Okay, wait. You do slide.
Hi, Day. Kumusta naman, Day? Bago lang kami nagmata. Nagulat mi sa mga order. Hello, Day Catherine. Siksiha, Day. Uy. Nanagani, bilbil, Day, oh. Asa ka, na ako sa Bohol, Day, Ginny. Bakasyon mo, Diri. Mga 6 days pa mi, Diri. Musta naman, Day Catherine? Asa sa Panglao? Sa Panglao ni siya, Day. Oo, sa Panglao. Hi, Joy! Musta na? Musta na, Joy? Sana all. Amo man daw ni 8 years daw naman ni 8 years anniversary. Sarap buhay. Lasapin na natin ang sarap ng buhay kaya bisag walay kwarta. Lubos-lubosin na, no? Sa maning akong internet o yung mga nikuan. Di man good. Sexy lang nakagihigok man ako. Okay lang, still kicking dito survive. Magkita ta po Honday katibid pag madto kag Manila ha. Asa din sa Panglao. Pero kuan lagi sila na ato mig Alona Beach dili Saba ba dili pa ya sa Boracay nga Saba kayo. Mas ganahan ko Boracay. Kuan ni siya kanang hilom lang lagi siya kagabi inadto mi. Dagat day oo madto mi unya hapon. Maglaag mi unya sa dagat. Kay kaning among gawintahan nga hotel, kuan maguni siya kanang medyo layo-layo ni siya sa dagat. Mga nasa 10 to 15 minutes walking. Pero mobalhin mi after 3 days dito na sa Dool para kanang pagmata dayon, lakso dayon dagat day para di na tabagkuan ba, di magmahay. Bala may itong basta makaligog dagat, no? Hi Mas, musta na? Alam mo Mas, ang ginagawa ko lang Mas para hindi ko para sumiksi, hindi ko makain. Tapos pagpunta dito, pag magbakasyon, doon na lahat, doon mo na lahat kainin ang gusto mong kainin. Pag uwi, doon naman yung pigil ka na. Dahil paligid sa imong swimming pool, sim kondo. Sige dahil pagpuhon. Pag na kay time, anytime man, pwede man kay wala naman ko nag-work. Wow, sana all na lang Mas. Salamat Mas. Dili siya masyado dili siya madayunog hikawang September o pirahan siya sa iyang kamot basi next year na daw. Sige day. Naon sa day ang kamot day. Hi, sis Juan, pasalubong bunga, buhangin. Bakit buhangin? Ayaw mo ng dagat? Ilagay ko sa bote. Lagyan ko na rin ng butete. Sige, dalang kita ng pasalubong. Dahil Ginny, gusto ka pasalubong pod? O mag-comment sa gusto ng pasalubong souvenir ka ng sa kitchen o magnet. Sis Ann, ayaw mo ng magnet. Na-enjoy day. Salamat sis Ann. Dalaw ka naman binsan pag makabalik kami. Lagi ka na lang busy, wala ka ng time eh. Mag-swimming tayo pagbalik namin. O pag may time ka. Nalilito na ako. Dalawa na yung live ko. Mayroon pala akong live sa isa. Sa YouTube. Nakalimutan ko may live pala ako sa YouTube. Sige, dalaw ka minsan. Hindi pa kami nag-agahan. Anong oras na? Nag-order kami ng pagkain, hindi pa dumating. Ay, ano ba yun? Si Harry nasa loob. Nainitan siya, biglang pumasok. Nagpanda ng aircon. Ano ba nangyari sa internet ko? Nagyapon ka sa Davao ron, kay Catherine. Jano. Yeah, it is hot. Hmm. Jano, our order is here. Our order is here, Jano. Yun po.
Good morning.
Morning po.
From Laura's place?
Pila tanan?
750.
Jano, come here, my love. Okay, you're coming. Nana ni share picture. Oh, sa YouTube.
Hi.
Okay, it's 750.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning. Is it morning already?
Still morning.
What time you guys close?
11.
Yeah, so
Okay.
you can have
So
pizza.
that's, no, that's good. Thank you.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Have a good day.
Yeah, thanks, man. You too.
Okay, so our food it came, guys, and we're gonna have breakfast now. Kind of hungry. Let me wash my hands.
So, what did you do with my underwear? You don't like it? Just give it to me over there.
Later na malapit gonna get dry.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what we have. Let me open it. Oh, this is the tuna sandwich.
Oh, that's your right.
Okay, so we do like that.
Yeah, bread. That's fine. Oh, okay. That's not bad.
And
That's not bad.
that's the tuna sandwich, and this one is the French fries. Is the French fries? They do like this. You put it in the foil. Okay, so this is the French fries. Uy, it's very hot.
Be careful, darling. Don't burn your hand.
Oh my god.
This is what you, or this is rice.
So this is the French fries, guys.
What is this?
So this is like picnic style because like how they put the food. They put it in the food. And if you want mayonnaise and tomato ketchup,
Where?
this one.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Okay, let me put the plastic down.
Yeah, we can use that for
And of course, for me, there's no diet today, so I'm having my
diet.
lechon kawali
Sorry, from
with
yesterday,
rice.
no diet.
Because rice is light.
The table shakes a little bit, okay? Be careful.
How about for you, Jana? What is your
I
light?
got it, darling. Huh?
Aircon is light for you. Mine is
Light?
rice
No.
is light.
You know, my darling is here, so that's my life.
Oh my God, sana all. I feel like I want to jump.
No, don't do that. I was only kidding. Don't jump, you know. I don't want you to jump.
Wait ha, you're kidding pala ha. Okay, wait. Let me eat first so that I have
Wait,
strength.
wait. You always have strength.
Hi, Day! Jennifer! Musta? Kain ta? Naon ta, Day? Pamahaw pa ni namo. Let's eat, everyone. Uy!
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, so this is what I have. It's fried pork actually with cucumber and tomato. So that's my breakfast. And of course, we Filipino we like to eat with rice. So I'm gonna have rice as well. So that's my rice. Nag-live ko sa YouTube day. Na maapot ko kawan adobo with coffee day. Ay kalamian ng adobo day. Naunta. Easy. What happened? Jano, you wanna try this one? What?
Yeah. Okay.
Minigang. Can open?
Yeah, I think so.
Akong lechon kawali.
Okay. Potato fries.
Mm. Why is sour?
No, no, no. Hot. French fries.
I have this one if you like.
If you don't mind, then yes.
And tomato.
If you don't mind,
Mhm. That's all? One?
it's okay. I mean, expected it of this, yeah.
Very small.
Okay, that is not good size. So you can
No, this is meat.
just meat also if you want to do.
Oh.
Just should have cut it in the middle.
Mamahaw.
Just okay?
Yeah. This okay also?
Yeah.
Do you fill it up, right?
Huh?
There's a lot of tuna.
I think so. It's okay, yeah. Mhm. This is the healthy bread.
Yeah. With bread. I should eat one more rice.
That's not enough?
No. Okay.
Okay.
You want you can have Indian food with it.
I will go. Enough tuna, look. I said tuna is enough.
Yeah.
That's why it
They fill up.
came up. Yeah.
Enough.
Oh, no, no, no.
No. Okay. Salamat, Day. Hi, Day Cindy. Ngaon ta, Day. Pamahon na mo. Mahaw ta dahil sindi.
I'll bring the kettle. Yeah.
Ay, ba niya?
Okay, it's okay. You bring your like.
Sure?
Yeah.
Sana. Ay lang, salamat. Ngaan kita. Parang picnic style to. Kaya nag-order kami ng pagkain for mga nakabalot ang dumating. Ayan. Gaya siya malakso dahil ako. Hi, Anya! Ingay-ingay mo. Ingay-ingay mo, Anya. Ayan, mag-video call tayo, Anya. Ayan, Anya. Anya, asan ka na, Anya? Ayan, invite na kita.
Okay, you ready, right?
Niya malag. Anya, tapos ka na nag-aral, Anya? Ayaw. Bayo mo. Bayo mo, Anya. Anya, ligo tayo sa swimming pool. Merong swimming pool dito kulay pink.
People can have those. So you have some sport for it.
Oh my God. See what is friends? I don't need this. It's very hot and we still drink coffee, right? That's
Say
the,
again?
it's very hot but we still drink coffee.
Oh, yeah.
That's the Filipino thing. Anya, nakikita kita, Anya. Alam ko nakatingin ka. Anya, oh. Meron ako dito payayan. Ayan, payayan yan. Ayan, payayan. Ano ulam mo, Anya? Hard.
Huh?
Hard. Where's the bread then?
What cannot eat that? Maybe rice.
Hmm?
What cannot eat that? Meat is very hard. The rice maybe.
Ah. Anya, meron akong bird dito. May ibon ako dito, Anya.
It's a beautiful bird.
Hindi ito french fries. Payayan yan, payayan. Oh. Tignan mo, oh. Oh. Malalaki yan, payayan. I'm good.
Huh?
I'm good.
You know. It's hot.
Good.
Yeah. So it's not like this. I think the fortuna.
Yeah. Some of the tuna salmon we just put a little bit.
And they hide it in that so you cannot see. In the roll, you cannot see deep on the what is it? This one you can see.
You want to put the to on the lights.
I don't know.
Oh, picnic.
Behind, yeah. Put it behind the toilet. Even the mirror in there should be by the sink.
Yeah.
Alright? I want to shave. I gotta go on this side.
The architect is doing the finished college. That's why.
Not just a family member. I have a girlfriend from, you know, your girlfriend.
Yeah.
Oh, my uncle knows everything. Oh, everything. It's a red flag, you know. She knows everything.
Yeah. Then you will break management.
I know.
Because your experience, you know yourself what is
Yeah.
people want. You travel already, so you yourself cannot complain. So you know what you cannot complain. Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's very hot, guys.
You know, it's hard, so they definitely needed a wrap in the book. You understand?
Yeah.
So people can buy. I mean, yes, they have water outside the state. It's inconvenient. Like nighttime, somebody, wants to drink water, and now he's going to go in his pajamas.
Yeah.
You know? The wrap is like 8,000, that's it. It's mini wrap, you know?
Yeah. You mean big one?
When you bring all this, you know that it's going to be expensive. You have to do this, you have to do
Still,
this, you have to do
still
that.
need to do cabinet. You didn't have cabinet.
That's what I'm saying. When you run a business, a hotel, a motel, or a restaurant, or anything, you have to have things. You can't say that, oh, I'm running a restaurant, but I don't have the pots. You know? You need the pots. Hello? Grandson, you need the pots. I'm looking at the girl, she's walking like my girlfriend. No hurry.
I appreciate. There's nothing that you can compare, no? I thought this, now it's my walking. What else next time? Good?
I cannot say the other thing. Say, oh,
Oh,
I've been trouble.
yeah, of course.
I don't want to be in trouble, Then we both accept it. But I didn't book the seats this time.
The what?
I mean the seats. I didn't book the seats. So they're gonna put it wherever they want.
Yeah.
So,
I think what is happening is,
how can
they mix that. They mix us.
No. How can that happen? Because maybe it happened because I don't buy directly from the airlines. You know?
Because it was the different number when they call that time. It's not our flight number.
That's all right, part of that.
So maybe in our flight number it's just few people. Maybe that's the big one. So they just make it together.
When they were calling for the names, I saw the ladies holding the sign,
Yeah.
flight number, and it's not our flight number.
Yeah.
Because I went to confirm to make sure. She's holding the sign, oh, last call, final call, come.
Mm.
I said, going same, Tagbilaran, coming here, but different flight number. Now, I don't know, two leaving same time doesn't make sense. They're not going to have two coming same time over here. They cannot make profit. Oh, excuse me, so I don't know what happened. It's only when they call my name was first and your name was last. Why?
Yeah.
No, why?
I don't know.
We're traveling together.
Actually, it's the van.
You should have the same name together. Anyway. I didn't want to create a scene because everybody's already sitting,
Yeah.
ready to leave. If we were there before, then no, yeah, I would have said that. I said, no,
But
sorry.
she check it. She check the.
She checked it.
So
again.
5D, that's the seater.
Yeah,
It's not our.
check the seat. They have the numbers.
So
It
they
is
can't
their
do
seat
anything.
also. So
Yeah.
that's something they double book. Double book, or I got it from TripAdvisor, or they're in booking. They kept the money. You can finish, right?
Yeah. Can put it here. That's plastic.
Yeah. I don't like the smell of this vinegar. Is that what it's supposed to be?
Yeah. said, what is good that you don't like the smell? Mostly that you like to eat,
Say it again.
the smell is not good. Like us, we like to eat the dry fish
Durian.
and the doyan, but the smell is not good.
And it's hot on the inside.
It's gonna be more hot because we're doing coffee.
I got the AC running. That's a beautiful baby.
I like the cup because
It's
mostly
very big though.
that's what I like. Mostly some hotel they will
I know,
give us
half.
small.
Then we have quantity. The other
like-
one.
Yeah, because it's not for Filipino mostly.
Yeah.
But we Filipino we like this kind of size. It's satisfied us.
Have sugar with it.
Coffee time.
Time to go inside, hug each other. Very sweet. Honestly, like down. We are on vacation, okay?
Yeah, of course.
Don't rush me, I go back after work again.
Enjoy the life, enjoy the paradise.
Yeah, when I go back, I have to work again. Oh.
Who say I'm gonna work?
Somebody said that when I was asleep, they were talking about work, and I'm like, what?
After having a vacation? Oh, nah. I need to
You
work.
have to wipe yourself.
I am a permanent boyfriend.
That's what I said.
That's what they're gonna say.
That's
Oh,
what
you
it
have your
is. I know.
permanent, you have your permanent boyfriend. You don't need to work.
They get surprised. They go, you're working? Why? What? What?
I know,
We
right?
all work. What are you talking about?
Yeah, when they find out that I'm
Including-
still working,
Anybody,
And
I mean,
then
we all need to
I have
your own.
I have foreigner. They're gonna say, why you need to work?
Especially when they come to our place. Then they believe you for sure.
You foreigner is rich already.
That's
Yeah,
what I'm saying.
right.
When they come to our place. That's what I'm saying. That shows that people over here just want free. They don't want to work for it. They don't really want to put any effort. Just look for a rich man and that's it. Look for the king of Saudi.
Some of
Prince
the
of Saudi.
Filipino mindset is like that.
Yeah, not everybody obviously.
If you think, especially when we ride bicycle, right?
Yeah.
When I ask discount,
Yeah.
how much? Then I'm gonna say, they're gonna say 150, and I will say 100. I said, why you worried? You're not the one
I
gonna
know.
pay.
You're not the one who's
You have
to
to
pay.
pay now. You don't know that, we
You should-
Filipino, we should know.
Yeah, but you should have said. The reason I'm worried is because then he's going to finish his money. How's he going to spend on me?
Yeah,
They
you
want
got
to
it.
spend money on me.
Oh, you got it.
It's very.
And well, it's like I feel like want to
This
jump
is
in the
like a
pool.
polyester nylon. No, you can jump in the pool, but it's right under the sun.
You have,
Yeah.
umbrella. And we can sit there right now. Just
No, not sit. I'm talking about in the pool. It's still a little bit. I mean,
Yeah.
you can go. I'm not stopping you, but
That's what I said.
be careful before you got to get slow.
Beautiful weather, beautiful view. I like the only thing I like this house, like very calm, like a lot of trees.
It's
like,
quiet,
It's quiet
but I
and
mean they're doing it. But
very natural. Like you're just in your house.
it's already 8 months, and they could not have a TV and they full every day. Luckily,
I just run out of budget for this.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Because there's no, there's people is not too people.
There must be some partner in funding, and he stopped. You understand?
Yeah.
When they know their girlfriend or wife or whatever, they're gonna say, take it easy, girl. You're wasting my money. There's a lot of
No, I think the one I saw walking here, Filipino.
the owner is always going to be Filipino, okay? I'm talking about the main behind the ATM is the owner. The foreigner cannot be your owner. You understand? They cannot be a direct owner. Yeah, they can be in a business, corporation, but I'm just saying. The foreigner is not going to be owner unless he has a
Well, they
Filipino.
just misled that.
Yeah. When they have somebody. Come finish, we go inside. Are you satisfied with your food?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Of course.
I thought it's too dry. I could not eat like that. Because with rice, I need like curry or something like that.
Yeah.
right. But that food yesterday, Chinese restaurant,
Oh.
that was good. Just second.
The one that
Wow.
no,
What one?
no, the hotel, the second one that we are going to transfer. Hopefully the food is not that nice.
No, food is nice. The food is nice over there. I'll show you the picture again, but food is nice. I mean, it's nicer than this place. They have everything in the room what's supposed to be. Even this, I'm sure it said, but then I don't know. Maybe they can say, oh no, it's only those rooms in the over there have TV. Yeah, the single beds. I don't know, it's okay. But what I mean is, what somebody's supposed to do when they come home at night? This is not a province that they go to sleep.
No, right?
I don't know.
How much is this one?
About 1800. I mean, but they have cheap ones over there, by the way. There's a lot of people, YouTubers, they don't spend this kind of money.
We'll
You
go to
know,
that place that you said it's
they don't spend this kind of money.
what is that called? The one
Mad
that-
Monkey?
Yeah.
Yeah, it shows that it's by the beach. Right? So this guy yesterday when we asked, they lied. The oh no, is very far from here. I'm looking in the map. It's like close by. But yeah, I wanted to check that. The only reason, like I said, is because it has common back. I don't like that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's okay maybe, but
Like this.
huh?
That's the camera of this one.
Oh, you're looking at the camera. Like it, baby, it's sweating so much.
Yeah, I
I
am.
gave it towel, no? Behind.
My hands kasi is
Okay. So we're going inside now. So the table clean. Then we can return this table next door. So next door is empty. Right?
yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put this.
Huh? Oi, oi, you took it? I'm looking now. I said, where is it? Okay, leave it. Leave it inside. I'm coming. I'll come. Now I feel love. You want towel?
No. Okay.
You can, if you want, you just make video. You can just go by, sit over there and make a little bit 5 minutes.
No, check the
Yeah. Put that link, don't put that, just put it on.